Baby love. Oh gosh.
Easy love.
Your mama don't mind, your papa don't mind. Let's get together and spend some quality time. You got me. Use me.
Won't you stay just a little bit longer?
It's my first time in Korea, and my trip won't be wonderful without these beautiful two girls.